Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making an egg bacon sandwich for lunch, which is the first meal of the day for me. I'm going to be using Nature's Own light honey wheat 40 calorie bread, which is 40 calories per slice. Laughing Cow cheese because it has a creamy cheesy taste, so that will also save me on calories just because it's a really delicious spread. It's only, I believe, yep, 30 calories a wedge, and it will go a long way. I'm also going to be using my turkey bacon on top. I already toasted my bread, and I'm going to cut up an apple. I think sometimes people think that because of when you're doing intermittent fasting, whether what meal you're quote-unquote missing, I eat from 11 to 5, that you get to miss out on certain foods, but that's not true. I'm going to make a breakfast sandwich, and here we go. So my lunch is all ready, so let's eat up. So for a snack, or if I want something chocolatey, I do unsweetened almond milk, and that's only 30 calories a cup, which is 8 full ounces, so I just measured that there. And then I use some sugar-free chocolate-flavored syrup. This is for 2 tablespoons of this, and I just usually do a couple squirts in there, so, you know. And then I mix it up and I heat it up. So I just got it out of the microwave and I'm finishing stirring it up. Heating it up helps with the separation of the syrup and the almond milk and makes it easier to combine together just because of the heat. And I really enjoy this as a yummy, tasty treat. So for dinner, I am making a taco salad. Right here, I've already started sauteing my vegetables. And this is a great filler because meat sometimes adds up in calories. Like this whole bag, this whole bag is only 25 calories per container. And so meat, mushrooms have a more meaty taste, so I really, really like those. Next, I've got my romaine lettuce, my carb counter tortillas. I also have this, it's like a tortilla shell salad maker that I love. My leftover chicken, I'll probably use the last of this along with my taco seasoning. Now you can make your own taco seasoning, but you don't have to. I have this on hand. I'm just going to use what I have. And if I have any extra calories left, I'll probably add some tortilla chips for some crunch. Doesn't that look delicious? I also added some tomatoes and some cilantro avocado yogurt dressing. It's 40 calories per serving. I actually did 2 servings because I love avocado dressing. But I'm within my calories. In fact, I think I have quite a bit left over for a dessert if I want it. But it's definitely filling. You're not going to miss out on anything.